Today, a brand new adventure here in the Philippines starts on these stunning motorbikes. So good.
Good vibes, good people. My heart is full.
Na 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 na. Philippines is amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Remember when we knew, staying up all night, thinking where'd we go to feel alright. I guess we used to know what it'd be like to never be alone. Thinking about it now, don't know where I've been. Driving all the time, down every dead end, lighting up the dark on every road. When we see the stars shooting through.
Good morning, guys. What's going on? Welcome to my helmet cam. Today, a brand new adventure here in the Philippines starts on these stunning motorbikes. We have just started our road trip up to Vigan to visit the Unity ride here in the Philippines. It's one of the biggest bike events that there is here to visit in the Philippines, and we're super excited. We got an awesome team on our way. It's us, a few people from BMW riding up there, and also we have another vlogger here, actually a moto vlogger.
Hey!
Hey!
We got a fellow vlogger here.
Welcome to my helmet cam.
Hey! Hello, guys. We gotta make it happen in the house. There's my group, so
Yeah.
it's awesome. It's awesome.
How's it going? Tell our audience, what is your channel?
Hey, you guys can subscribe to my channel. I do motovlog. My channel is JMac86 Motovlog. Please subscribe.
Yeah, link will be down in the description
There you go.
as always.
Woo.
I'll see you on the road. So right now we're just getting fueled up. Nelly's just really gone quick to the toilet, and once our bikes are fueled up, we're gonna hit the road. It's about a I don't know, like a 6-hour ride that we have today, so probably one of the longest rides I've done so far. Morning, Nelly.
Morning!
How are you enjoying the bike?
Oh, it's so cool. So different.
Right?
It's like, I don't know. It's like flying over the street. It's like gliding.
Yeah.
It's so good.
What do you say to all the bikes?
Oh my god, it's incredible.
Right?
You have no idea. We have to show you guys what's going on here. I just went to the restroom and saw all the bikes and all the people and everything. Like the atmosphere is so cool.
Isn't it awesome riding with a squad?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, maybe we should get like a Making It Happen motorbike riding squad together.
Yeah.
Do like a trip a month. Let me know if there's any bikers watching.
Yes.
We'll organize our own trip.
We're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper through the night. We're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper stars.
Okay, we just had a quick little break at Starbucks, had some coffee, had a little bit of food, and now we're going to continue our ride. We're having a break like every hour or so, so it's really good. It's a really relaxing ride. Yeah, can't wait to get back on the road.
We're going, so we just keep counting all the paper through the night.
Also, guys, we are incredibly lucky with the weather today. Sunshine as far as you can see.
Thinking about it now, don't know where I've been. Driving all the time, down every dead end, lighting up the dark on every road. When we see the stars, then we know. Shooting through the night, we're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper through the night. We're burning, don't know where we're going, so we just keep counting all the paper stars. Paper stars.
stopped here to get RFIDs installed on our motorbike, so it makes it easier to pass through the tolls. And just a quick break, and then we are continuing up to Vigan. It's really nice, so much fun to ride these bikes. The weather is beautiful. Couldn't be a better day. Alright guys, we've just arrived in San Fernando, La Union. And weather is still holding up. Look how blue! What the hell? So nice. Weather is absolutely amazing. I wish we would have had this weather in Mindanao when we did our road trip. But yeah, the bikes, oh my god, they're so fast. They have like never-ending torque, never-ending power. Like Delhi's falling off the back when I accelerate. Now we just fueled up the bikes again, fueling up with some water, and I believe the next stop is going to be actually the lunch stop. It's here in San Fernando, not sure where, but we got everything fueled up and gassed up so that once we've eaten, we can get back on the road and do the last stretch to Vigan, which is only like 2.5 hours from here, I think.
Really?
Yeah, it's really close already. Yes, but I'm super exhausted now.
I'm probably as hungry as I am. On the way here we saw this beautiful beach.
It's right here.
Yeah. I just wanted to say, I think we have to launch the drone later on.
No, we can't. The drone is in the backup car.
Okay.
I'm not sure if the backup car
Drone
is
is in
here.
the backup car. Okay. Obviously we're going to have lunch because we're super hungry as always. Wow, so many people.
Quite impressive. That's all Alright guys, we have arrived in Vigan city. Both Nelly and I just crashed for 2 hours. We had like a mega ultra hyper nap, and right now we've been invited to an ancestral house here in Vigan to try some snacks and tour the house, but we will show you that guys in a separate video. But let's go. I need a seat. I'm gonna fall
asleep.
Teach you what you mean.
We on.
This is made of
Miguel, can you?
yeah, and then the cheese like this. Chicken wood.
Okay, so we just finished the tour of the ancestral house. If you haven't watched the video, it will probably pop up somewhere here. Now we're headed off to the convention center and show you what's going on there. Whoop, whoop. Let's jump in, Batman!
Come on, get in there, silly Nelly. So guys, it is super windy because the reason for the wind is the typhoon is coming on Monday. But we should be back in the safety of our home by then.
Yeah, but it's so windy. Like, we got so many messages from you guys. Take care, typhoon is coming. So now that I see the wind, I'm a little bit concerned.
Oh, I can't hear you. Are you all excited for tonight's event? That's it. I like that spirit.
Alright guys, so checking in a few hours later after the convention, we all came to Nelly and my favorite barbecue spot
Yes.
in
In the world.
in the world. We're here at Kalle Brewery. We have some amazing meats, seafood gumbo, which is so good.
Look at this. Look at it. Oh, delicious. Amazing locally brewed craft beer.
So good. And it's so nice after a day of riding together as a group, just letting our hair down, relax, eat some food, have a few beers together. So good.
Good vibes, good people. My heart is full. And yeah, it was a good day.
Yeah.
I also have to mention that I really liked how comfortable it was for me compared to our bike. Of course, our bike is for like short distance, but yeah, it was cool. Really nice. Tomorrow I will discuss with you guys the differences between the riders. I found out there are 3 types of riders. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Can't wait to see what all that
Might
is
be a
about.
funny one. Funny interpretation. Tomorrow. Subscribe for more. See ya.
Finally, we are making our way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Na 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 na. So we had a great day, really phenomenal. Beautiful weather, beautiful motorbikes, beautiful people.
Yeah. Good food.
Good food.
Good vibes.
Couldn't have been better. Tomorrow we're gonna have a little bit of a more relaxing rat running between my legs. Nice. Tomorrow we're gonna have a little bit of a more relaxing day on the bike. Today we drove 410 kilometers.
Which is a lot.
Which didn't feel that way.
Nah,
it felt like
not
way
at all.
less. But tomorrow we're only gonna be going like, I think, 80 kilometers at the most.
Yeah.
It's gonna be more like a leisurely drive. And we're gonna end up in La Union.
Yay!
And hopefully tomorrow afternoon, hello, both Nelly and I.
How do you find Philippines?
Oh,
Philippines is amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. But for now, we're gonna say goodnight.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to
Subscribe!
give the video a thumbs up.
And hit the notification bell.
And if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thanks. It's over here. Thanks for being the awesome community you guys are. We'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
And
make it happen.
Make it happen. And let us know about if you want to do that motorbike road trip with us. Comment down below.
You probably